Rainforest Chatter! Rainforest Chatter by Mrs. D'Amelio and Mrs. O'Brien, kindergarten and first grade TAG class. We're on a fun adventure in the rainforest. Come along with us and learn about the rainforest and all the amazing animals that call this place home. This map shows the tropical rainforest colored in green. Rainforests are hot, damp places that can get from 100 to 400 inches of rain a year. Grab your umbrella because it can rain for 200 days here. The temperature in the tropical rainforest can get as hot as 90 degrees. Did you know that 2/3 of the world's plants and animals can be found living in the rainforest? We begin our trip in the emergent layer. This is the highest layer of the rainforest, a place where kapok trees can grow from 150 to 300 feet high. We see lots of birds living here in the tippy top of the trees. Do you see the toucan hopping from tree to tree? I just spotted a bluehead parrot and a harpy eagle. Can you see them? We are ready to explore the second layer of the rainforest. It is called the canopy layer. This layer has many fascinating animals. Look carefully and you will find iguanas, long-tongued bats, and woodpeckers. See the tree frogs living near the vines and bromeliads? Wow, the noise from just one howler monkey can be heard for many miles. It's getting darker as we make our way down to the third layer or rainforest understory. This layer is home to flying foxes, monkeys, leaf butterflies, slithering snakes, and ferns. As we watch the spider monkey swinging from tree to tree, we spot a two-toed sloth sleeping in a tree. Wow, we made it all the way down to the forest floor. It's very dark here, so we have to watch out for scorpions, tarantulas, and fire ants. Moss and fungus are growing on the moist ground. We watch an anteater eating a mound of ants. We must be careful because jaguars hunt their prey in this layer. We hope that you have enjoyed traveling and learning about the rainforest with us.